Are those eggs hot? Are they hot? What else are you making? I'm hungry. Can you cook me something? Can you make me a cup of tea?
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea? I like a cup of tea, please. Yes, please. Yeah, you already have hot water, don't you? Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. That's my favorite.
More.
Okay, I'll have more. Thank you.
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea coming right up. Are you going to have some tea too?
More.
Oh, yes, I drank it all.
Cup of tea.
Thank you. Oh, is that my cereal? Is that for my hot cereal? Oh, it's hot. Better put it back on the oven.
Good job.
Hot, how hot?
Oh yeah, it's hot. Watch out.
Don't touch it. Oh, you have another kettle.
Hot.
Put it in the oven. That's a good place for it when it's hot.
Hot.
Yeah, there you go.
Hot, hot.
Ooh,
Ah.
too hot.
Or
Can you make me a hot dog? Do you have any hot dogs?
yeah. Hot sauce. Hot sauce. Rice.
Ooh, what is that? Is that corn?
Maybe.
Are you gonna make me a hot dog? Well, I know she's got hot dogs and fruit and bread and what else do you have in there? What are you cooking for dinner? It's late. We need to eat. Do you have a hot dog in there? All right. Well, what else?
More babies.